Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. Hopefully, this is the last day on the Cattails job. We have had horrible luck so far this weekend. Let's get started on that. First, I had 2 guys planned for yesterday.
Guess how many showed up?
Yeah,
Just me.
0. So Leanne was here. Good news is we thought of a much easier way to clean up the debris. So we actually got all the debris that we had already cut picked up yesterday, minus some cleanup stuff. Second, we went and dumped the debris, and we also removed some other trash from the property for the owners, and they wouldn't let us dump that trash at the dump because we didn't have a hauler's permit for this city, even though I have one for the whole county. Yeah, so that was that. And then we tried to, after we dumped that, we went and we were going to look for a cutter to put on one of the saws so I can cut the rest of this stuff down easier so we can move through this real fast. And lost power steering belt on the big truck in the middle of a turn.
That was fun.
Yeah, so I had to limp this truck from one side of town to the other side of town to the only automotive shop open and in the town, and lost 3 hours there. 11,000 pound truck, no power steering, not fun.
Luckily, they were able to do it that same day.
Yeah, and $185, I'm fine with that. So we came back, pretty much picked up our tools, cleaned up the debris that we dropped loading up the truck, went home, ran errands and stuff like that, got a cutter kit, all that stuff, ready for today.
We had to take the little crew member on his training. He did so good.
We took the dog to his training for his class, and then we're boarding him for today and into tomorrow. So we got all that done. Hop truck, everything's moving along this morning, eat breakfast, stuff like that. Stop at the gas station, use the restroom and buy drinks. And I locked the keys in the truck.
Yeah, I thought he lost his wallet the way he was acting.
No, locked the keys in the truck. So we had to wait an hour for a locksmith to come, pay $60 for him to literally take 30 seconds to unlock the truck so we can get out here. So we are, I don't know, what is it, 8 something?
Yeah.
We're at least an hour behind.
The clouds look great today.
Oh yeah, and it's raining.
At least it's 73.
Yeah, at least it's 73 and not 90 like it was yesterday. And it's cloudy. So once we actually get working, it's probably going to feel really nice as long as it doesn't, start raining again. But we got raincoats, so I'm fine with that. And I know some of you other guys across the country are getting snow today. So at least it's going to be cool. Hopefully tomorrow some of our regulars aren't going to be sand pits. Hopefully the rain, kind of keeps the sand down. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. And I don't know how much of this I'm going to film. Maybe not much, but I'll see y'all later. Good morning, guys. We're at our first job site here at the groomers. Leanne is starting with the push mowing back there in the back, and I'm getting my mower started up. This is a weekly account, so you know the grass isn't horrible, but then again we haven't really been getting rain, so you know, not super bad. But finally finished with the cattails out in Port Aransas. Oh, thank God. That job is killing me. We might be doing a tree job for the other grooming location here next week, probably Friday morning or Saturday. I gotta put some fuel in the gravely. So I'll do some wide angle shooting for this one, and I'll see y'all later. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning. Yesterday we had no jobs, so I kind of took a day off and ran a couple errands. Nothing too crazy. Today I only have one job. We had a huge storm last night. Well, I wouldn't say huge, but it was a pretty big storm, and it's pretty rainy. So you know, not a whole lot going on today. And we had two other jobs, tree trimming jobs that we had scheduled for today that we did estimates for. Neither one of them liked the price, even though I, you know, estimated dirt cheap on both of them. You know, far cheaper than I should have, but enough to make money. So it is what it is. So I'm solo today. Leanne's stayed home. She's doing some stuff there. Pretty much this one here, I'm doing just a little small job chopping off some branches off of a fence and then haul it to the dump. That's really about it. As far as tomorrow for our mow accounts, supposed to be getting more rain tomorrow, so I don't know. We'll plan it by ear at the moment. A couple of the scheduled jobs are over really sandy soil, so it shouldn't be a problem as far as making ruts. A couple of them aren't, so we'll plan it by ear right now. We're gonna just see what happens. You know, can't work with the rain, can't work without it, so if we can't do one or two of the jobs tomorrow, that is what it is. We put it off to next weekend. I think we're gonna be fine though, as long as it's not literally pouring while we're working. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'll see y'all at the job site. Not even kidding today, guys. Today it's not been fun.
No?
Big truck broke down. We had to go rent a U-Haul, pay for a heavy-duty truck wrecker to move the truck. So we are trying to get our last commercial of the day done today, and we had to pretty much put off 4 other accounts till tomorrow, which I'm probably calling in, most likely calling into my full-time job so we can try to get caught up on those, because those 4 accounts make me more than what I make a day there. So
Sorry. Sorry.
Not a fun day.
No.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I took off my full-time job so we can catch up on all the accounts that we couldn't do yesterday, which is 6 of them. So this is what we have to work with today. A U-Haul trailer that's packed with everything. So fun. So last night when I came back, we just kind of emptied out everything that was in the other truck and threw them all in here. So I got to go through and clean everything up and take off everything we don't absolutely need, so we can get going. So I'll see y'all later.